Hey, what up good people? It's me, MsEbonyVee. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thanks so much for joining me. I do hope you'll consider hitting that subscribe button as well as that notification bell so you don't miss any other videos from me. If you're returning, hey Sugar Muffin. Alright y'all, so I'm super excited about today's video because it is another wig sale. Yes! Because they gotta go. So I just did my first wig sale back in November, and here we are again at the beginning of the year. I wanted to do a New Year January wig sale as well. I appreciate all the love that was shown in the first wig sale. I truly appreciate all the orders that were made. I appreciate you for supporting my wigs. So for this wig sale, any wigs that were still remaining on the site from the last wig sale back in November will be marked down at least 30% or more. So you'll see they'll all be on sale for any of the wigs that were still remaining. Now I have added about 40 plus new wigs for this January sale. As you know, I have been reviewing a ton of wigs lately. It seems like, it feels like. But I've also included some wigs that I have reviewed previously that have only been worn during the view and have just been sitting here. Actually, most of my wigs that I'm selling have only been worn during the YouTube review. If I've worn them a couple times, I usually don't list them for sale. And if I have and they're still in like phenomenal shape, like I've worn them maybe twice, I'll definitely identify that in the wig description. So please read the description. Also read the description box below because all of the information is outlined there. Again, just as before, all sales are final, so please read the information and check out the review that was done on the wig so that you get all the details. You know, sometimes I cut, sometimes, you know, there's like one wig where I rip the lace. Just be sure to read so that you're not confused. Feel free to message me privately, publicly, however you desire. Any questions you may have. Look, I am a friendly chick. I will respond. I will engage. If you feel like something is ridiculously priced, hey, let me know. Let's talk about it. Okay? If you're interested in this super cutie I'm wearing now, I just did a review on her, so I'll be sure to link it up above as well as include it down in the description box below if you want to check it out. She'll probably be in this wig sale too. This wig sale will go live this coming Sunday, January 10th at 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I am so looking forward to this next sale. Hey, these wigs got to go. When a sis say she been drowning in wigs, she been drowning in wigs. And they are very nicely marked down. Go ahead, do your comparisons. You can see the price that I'm charging versus what you're going to get on the website. They're marked down very well, so check it out. I thank you all so much for your continued support. I truly appreciate it, and it means the world to me. Thank you. All right, so I'm not going to hold you too much longer. I will catch you all in the next video. Thanks so much. Bye, y'all.